Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to use secret chats for end-to-end encryption on Telegram, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. You can start by opening up the Telegram application for that. And once you open up the Telegram application, you just need to go over to the contacts profile that you want to initiate a secret chat with. So you can go to one of the conversation. So for example, this is the person I would like to have a secret chat with. So once you are into the chat, you can look out for their contact name in the top of your screen and go ahead and tap on it. And then once you go ahead and tap on it, you can look out for the three dot option in the top right corner to open up your menu of their profile page. So just go ahead and do so. And once you do so, a menu appears on your screen with an option called Start a Secret Chat from given menu. So you can look out for that option and go ahead and click on it, tap on it in order to open it up. And once you go ahead and tap on it, it will ask you that, are you sure that you want to start a secret chat? So you can just go ahead and confirm it up by tapping on start. Just go ahead and tap on start for that. And once you go ahead and tap on start, the secret chat has been started and you have invited that particular user to have a secret chat with you on Telegram. And that chat uses end-to-end encryption. That leaves no trace on the service and has a self-destruct timer and does not allow forwarding as well. And you can view a visualization of the encryption keys in the secret chat info to verify the security of the connection. And you can just go ahead and start up a conversation now with that person, and the secret chat has been started. And you can start sending messages now in the secret window that will be opening up on your screen. So therefore, if you'd also like to use secret chats for end-to-end encryption on Telegram, this is the method you can follow up in order to do so. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.